What? Which one? Ang this? Tayo ka panoorin. You don't want, what is that?
Peppa Pig.
You don't want Peppa Pig? Ayaw niyan yan. Talia. Lipat mo sa Blippi. Yan na lang din. You don't want Peppa? Yeah. Yeah, this. Oh. You want ice cream?
Do you like broccoli?
Broccoli, you want?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do
Yung
you like ice cream?
Papa.
Oh.
Yes, I do.
Which one this?
Yes, I
Ice cream? We don't want ice cream.
do. Like broccoli?
You want broccoli with ice cream?
Yes!
Oh, yes daw with ate.
Papa.
Talia, Talia, bigyan mo, ilipat mo.
Daddy Pig is wearing his swimming costume.
Cocomelon. Talia, he's watching. Sakat na yung ulo ko, ha. Oh, round and round daw, round and round. Dabil sa tagas daw. Round and round. Oh, open and shut. Open and shut. How to open and shut? Like, you don't know. Open and shut. Oh, wipers on the wash. Swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Oh, swish, swish, swish. Ah, you don't know. Ate ko nga. How, paano? Ah. Tyler don't know this one. Dalawa yung pinapanood namin. Isang Blippi, isang Cocomelon.
Sino ba yan?
Which one? Sino?
Video lang ba yan? Ilang video?
Nag-away na, nag-away na.
Dito na si Mama!
Kunin mo, kunin. Yeah, ito.
Mushroom popsicles?
Mushroom popsicle? You want?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Do you like cauliflower?
Kali? Gusto ba? You want kali?
Yes, I do. Yes, I
Oh,
do.
you want cauliflower?
Do you like cupcakes?
Cupcake? You want cupcake?
Yes,
Ay,
I do.
nge.
Yes, I do. Do you like cauliflower cupcakes?
Cupcake? Cauliflower?
No, I don't. Three.
Blippi! What do you want? What do you want?
Is a tank, and today we're gonna fill it up with water.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know you found
Cherry
the
shed.
one when they just know. Urban Company and all-in-one house help subscription means I get the same help. With the silent.
Sa una.
Ipit mo lang sa iba. Dito, sa yes,
Mm.
Do you like pickles? Yes, I do.
Mm.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Like pudding?
You like pudding? Yes, I do.
Ano yung pudding?
Yes,
Pudding, like yogurt.
Do you like pickle pudding?